There are three important reasons why Bitcoin and the crypto market is going to explode way beyond your imagination in the next bull cycle. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DAVITAR Jeremy. I am in Thailand. I'm going to be staying here for a little bit longer. I'm going to be back in Dubai next week for sure. I will stay in Dubai for quite some time after that. Well, I mean, in the UAE at least. And I will get some more videos out there for you. I am more productive at home than I am on the streets, as you can tell. So I haven't done too many videos lately, but I will get back into the groove. I will do my best to do some videos whilst I'm here in Thailand. And make sure you subscribe to my Instagram and X page, I guess. It would be X, not Twitter, to see what I'm up to and all that good stuff. Yes. All right. With that said, you are interested in knowing what's going to happen in the next bull run. What's going to happen? Why is it going to happen this way? Why we're going to see a massive, explosive move in crypto? Well, we know that the institutional players are here. They've been here since a Bitcoin at $5,000 when it was rising in the 2017 market. There was a lot of evidence of that. There's evidence from many players who've come into this market, understood it, and studied it. And there's even a video how JP Morgan was buying Bitcoin when Jamie Dimon was saying, hey, if anybody buys Bitcoin, that they're going to be fired. So this was an obvious play, was a legal play for them to keep the price down as things were just getting way out of control with the price action. Now, this up and down movement was helped, of course, by them and also other banking institutions. And if you actually stop and say in the comment section, no, it's not true, that's for you, we would never do that. Where were you when they got caught? Not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but 5 times in manipulating gold and silver market and other markets. In fact, they recently one person just got sued and lost a lawsuit for manipulating gold and silver prices. Now, also, I would like to find the Wayback Machine and go through the Wayback Machine and get all the articles that were out there saying that there was no way that the market was manipulated. Now, no one on this planet leaves a article saying the market's not manipulated by the banking system. No one, because they'd be laughing stock, right? So don't be a laughing stock, okay? And tell me that they're not manipulating the price. They're manipulating it up, they're manipulating it down, okay? It's fully managed by the banking system for your protection. Oh boy. So with that said, we know that they're managing the price, and so they are going to also try to profit as well. Some of them are not interested in profiting, of course. Keep that in mind. Banks do not need to profit off of Bitcoin. Why do they not need to profit off of Bitcoin? I think about it. Let's stop and think about that for a second. I can print money, and there's this asset that I can print, and it's a little concerning because it will take away my power to print money. So if I got an idea, I can offer this asset to my customers, right? Tell them that they're guaranteed the money one way or another, which is dollars. And even if I need the bailout because the price goes high, I'll just print them more money. That's a great idea. Yeah, I got it. That's how we'll do it. You see? At the same time, you're like, well, why is JP Morgan buying some Bitcoin? Well, they have to hedge your bets as well. They need to make sure that if they fail at managing the price, they will have some as reserves. You know what I'm saying? So that's for sure. And then on top of that, there are players who are not in this particular game, do not have access to printing press, and they purchased a lot of Bitcoin that they want to sell some at a higher price, profit in dollars. So they're going to manage the price up heavily and sucker in all those baby boomers, all those people that they can manage into buying Bitcoin at all-time highs so that they can sell to them. This is coming. They've done it before, and they're going to do it again. And you're like, well, what do you mean they've done it before? Well, I mean, were you not here in the 2008 party? Were you not here? Well, let me just remind you what happened. One of the examples of that is that Ripple went all the way to $3. Ripple was on television with, what's it called? Jim Cramer saying, showing you exactly how to buy some Ripple. And that was at the top. Okay. So, if you don't believe that they're going to do that again, put down the cheap drugs, whatever you're smoking, whatever happy pills you're taking, you need to stop taking it right now. Stop it. It's bad for your health. It's making you lose your mental capabilities and cognitive abilities and understand what's really going on. Another reason why we're going to see big moves in crypto is because of the great utility of crypto, both the NFTs with ordinals and on Ethereum. This allows for permanent record recording with ordinals of assets that you own in the physical world. There's no way to change it. Whilst on Ethereum, there is technically with government that helps to change asset ownerships, whilst it's not possible on Bitcoin. So we're seeing some innovation that corporations have jumped on heavily. This is going to help push the crypto space in general, along with gaming. The gaming industry is jumping on board heavily. And imagine being able to own pieces of your game or make money in the game and whilst you're playing it, and then sell assets in the game to other people so that they can enjoy. So in one of my games that I'm playing in Medieval Empires, I can see that they might allow you to sell your hero, build up a hero that you could sell because heroes can die. And you get the hero can have different strengths, different durability. And so if you can build up the hero to a high enough level, you can sell him for probably a pretty penny if his durability is still around. So I could see that this is going to come in the future of games where you can sell assets that you've built up over a long period of time, and that took a lot of work and effort to do so. So yeah, that's coming to a theater near you. Make sure you're a part of crypto, because there is another reason why crypto is also going to be doing well. The crypto market is tiny. That's the other reason why. Third reason and final reason why crypto market is going to do very well. It's tiny. It's what, $1 trillion market cap? Nothing, right? It's like, a couple of rounding errors on the US balance sheet, basically. And so it is not a big market. It's going to move heavily and fast. It will be in the tens of trillions of dollars by the end of this next bull market. It's going to reach at least 20 trillion in market cap. So you're going to see a 20x across the board in all the markets of crypto. So look out for that. It's going to be big. It's going to be epic movement, and make sure you are also a part of it. Now, I'm going to be doing also some videos that will be on my other channels that I have. I am also part of We Talk NFTs. I'm going to be uploading a video with Maurizio on the weekend, and I've done some videos with him about NFTs. So you know that NFTs are so big. But we talked about it. Remember, we said that NFTs is a big part of why we're going to see crypto explode. Well, if you want to learn more about why we see that, why I see that, you can watch some of my videos that I've done with Maurizio, because it's explained so many times as we see corporation after corporation after corporation jumping on NFTs. All right. With that said, let's jump into the trading of the day. Make sure you if you're going to be trading, you're trading at bybit.davincij15.com or okx.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Oof, man, I should have kept my trade. I had a crazy short trade up here, and I was like, okay, it was because I knew it was dumping, and I just couldn't find an entry point, so I just dumped. I just went crazy. Ivan short, right? 50x, and it worked out. And I pretty much closed the trade because I saw that this is a high traffic area here. So I thought, okay, that's it. There's not much more to garner here, and it could break through this traffic area, which is around the 26,500. My selling price was at 26.5, but I wasn't too sure that it was going to continue on because there was a little bit of a hesitance here on this price action here. So I was like, okay, you know what? Because this thing could easily come back to the 27K area, I wasn't going to risk it. And there was obviously a point of control up here, somewhere up here. So I didn't want to, if it came back into that point of control, it meant that they would have to test higher. So I didn't want to be a part of that mistake if it did fail, so I might as well take some profit. So that's exactly what I did. Okay, with that said, we can see that it has broken through this the first set of traffic area, right? It was struggling to break down, and now it's broke down. We've got a candle body so far on the 1 hour into the high traffic area. It might have some problems, and so I'm not willing to short here at this price. The bullish band is expanding again downwards for the 4 hour. If we go down to the shorter time frames, yeah, this is not looking good. You can see that we have some divergence here that's happened here. So we can see that this movement down is a divergence here, and it hasn't been confirmed, but you can see the divergence exists on the RSI. So it's not worth trading at this point because, well, as we got a higher, as the market is dropping lower, the indicators are dropping, going higher. So that's not a safe bet for you to trade, at least on the 5 minute. Now does that count on the 15 minute? So far, not quite. There's not any information there. It's too early for that. We'd have to wait and see. But most likely, I would not jump into any kind of trade on the short term for Bitcoin. We've already made a significant move already, and there's no point because it's just moving too slow. Another thing we're seeing here is Ethereum. This Ethereum is indicating that we could see a breakdown. Let me just remove this. I want to remove that. And you can see that Ethereum has stayed sideways, kept the point of control. It jumped up a little bit out of its point of control, but not much. And we can see that the point of control is the 1630-ish area, and it is breaking down. So this could indicate that Bitcoin could be on its way to a bigger breakdown, as Ethereum looks like it's ready to break down heavily. So I'm gonna have to watch out here because my battery is dying. Let's see here how much do I got left. I got 20%. All right, so Ethereum, it's got to break, of course, a little bit lower, below the 1528 for us to say for sure we're breaking down. Yeah, if we continue this move, this could end up dragging Bitcoin down, and us seeing some major moves, us maybe even breaking further down and testing the $24,000 area. So look out for that possibility looking at Ethereum. Now the dominance, Bitcoin is still dominating. It is riding this trend line here. Maybe I've drawn it incorrectly. Maybe it should be at the body. No, that's not it. Maybe it's got to be this candle here. No, that's too wide. How about this body? Nope, that's below. Let's stick with this. I was thinking maybe we can get this thing similar to lining up with, because look at that. That could be an interesting mark for the lineup of that, because we're marching along the opposite side of the trend. So it could be we be running up on this thing. So let's just see what happens. Or if this comes, it's coming to the 200 period moving average. I think we have failed this M breakdown pattern. So, not yet. We haven't failed it. We have to fail it. We would fail it once we break the red line here, which is the 52% level. So let's just leave it at that. So if you're interested in trading, you can trade at bybit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below, or 2bit.davincij15.com. Also, links are in the description below. All right, with that said, I'm going to call it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I blathered on a little bit longer than I should have, but I have fun talking to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.